What if the prayer you stopped repeating is the very prayer Allah never stopped hearing? The world sees your smile, but Allah knows the conversations hidden behind it. He knows the nights you stayed awake, the tears you wiped away, and the questions you were afraid to ask. Before this reminder ends, you may realize something powerful. Your silence was never ignored. There are moments when you feel completely unheard, as if your words disappear into silence. But what if I told you that nothing you ever felt in your heart was ever unseen? Allah is closer to you than your own thoughts. Every breath of sadness, every quiet breakdown behind closed doors, every unanswered whisper carries weight in His knowledge. You may think no one understands your pain, but your Creator understands it before you even express it. Even when your lips stay still, your heart keeps speaking, and those silent emotions are never wasted, never forgotten. Sometimes Allah does not reply in the way you expect, but He is always responding in the way you truly need. Behind every delay, there is mercy. Behind every silence, there is protection. And behind every broken moment, there is a plan written with infinite love. A delay in your prayer is never a denial of your worth. It is often a divine protection you cannot yet understand. What you see as silence is actually careful planning by the one who sees every path ahead of you. Human desire is immediate, but divine wisdom is eternal. You ask for something because your heart is attached to its beauty, yet Allah knows the hidden outcomes of every choice. Sometimes what you want carries pain you cannot see, and what you don't receive is saving you from a loss you would have struggled to survive. There is always a difference between what you wish for and what is written for your highest good. And that difference is filled with mercy, not distance. Think of a child crying for something sharp, not knowing it can harm them. The refusal is not cruelty, it is protection wrapped in love. In the same way, when doors do not open, it is not rejection but redirection towards something safer, something better, something perfectly timed. Allah's decisions are never random. They are precise, intentional, and deeply compassionate. Even when you cannot understand the reason today, one day you will look back and realize that every delay was actually a blessing in disguise. There was a believer in early Islamic history who faced years of silent struggle. He made dua for something deeply desired, something he believed would complete his life. Days turned into months, and months turned into years. Nothing changed on the surface, yet he never stopped turning back to Allah. People around him began to question his patience. Some even thought his prayers were forgotten, but he never spoke with frustration. Instead, he continued with quiet trust, believing that delay does not mean denial. Then, at a time he never expected, Allah opened a door for him that was far greater than what he originally asked for. What came to him was not just what he wanted, but what saved him, elevated him, and brought him peace he had never imagined. His waiting was not wasted. It was preparation for something better. This is how Allah responds. Not always quickly, but always perfectly. And if you look closely at your own life, you may already see His signs working silently. A door closing that you once cried over may have saved you from pain. A person leaving your life may have protected your heart from deeper hurt. A delay in success may have shaped your character in ways comfort never could. Even your struggles are not random. They are reshaping you, building strength, patience, and awareness inside your heart. Sometimes the answer to your prayer is not a visible change yet. but an invisible preparation happening within you. Allah is never absent. He is working in ways you cannot trace, aligning events you cannot control, and guiding you toward outcomes that carry more mercy than you can currently understand. And one day, you will realize nothing was late, nothing was lost. Everything was being written with perfect wisdom. While your prayer is still unfolding, do not let your heart drift into hopelessness. Keep calling upon Allah, even when words feel heavy. Seek forgiveness often because istighfar softens the heart and opens unseen doors. Trust His plan completely, even when your understanding falls short. Stay firm in your salah, because it is your direct connection to mercy. And most importantly, do not let despair settle inside you. What feels delayed is never forgotten. Your patience in silence is also a form of worship, and every moment of trust is drawing you closer to what is truly meant for you. Sometimes the answer to your prayer is not the thing you asked for, but the person you are becoming while waiting for it. You think a miracle is a changed situation, but the deeper miracle is a changed heart. A heart that once panicked now learns patience. A soul that once questioned everything now learns trust. In that quiet space between hope and delay, Allah is shaping you into someone stronger, softer, and closer to Him. And one day you will realize the real gift was not what you wanted, but who you became through the wait. Allah heard the prayer you whispered when no one else was around. He saw the tears you quickly wiped away before anyone noticed. He knows the weight your heart has been carrying when even your closest people couldn't understand your silence. Nothing about your pain is hidden from Him, not even the smallest feeling you buried inside. His love is not distant. It is closer than your own heartbeat. And even now, while you are waiting, He is not ignoring you. He is preparing something that carries more mercy, more wisdom, and more beauty than what you originally asked for. Never allow your heart to believe that you have been forgotten. Even when life feels still, even when prayers seem unanswered, nothing about your story is ignored by Allah. Every tear has been recorded, every silent struggle has been seen, and every broken moment is part of a plan written with perfect wisdom. What you are going through is not the end of your journey. It is only a chapter that is still unfolding. The story is not finished yet. Allah is still writing it, and what is coming next may be far greater than anything you lost or waited for. So take care of your heart. Don't let sadness settle inside it for too long. Keep your trust alive, keep your hope strong, and keep walking forward with patience. If this reminder touched your heart, stay connected with us for more powerful reminders like this. And don't forget to subscribe, because sometimes a single reminder can change a whole life.